Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and whispering trees, there lived a boy named Tim. Tim was known for his kind heart and adventurous spirit. Whiskers, with fur as soft as silk and eyes that twinkled with curiosity. Tim and Whiskers did everything together. They played hide and seek among the tall grass, raced each other down the winding paths,
and shared secrets under the starlit sky. Tim loved Whiskers dearly, and Whiskers, in turn, adored Tim with all her tiny hair. One sunny morning, as Tim and Whiskers explored a new trail near the village, Tim gently picked up the bird and cradled it in his hands, while Whiskers peered softly, her concern evident in her eyes. "What should we do, Whiskers?" Tim wondered aloud. Whiskers nuzzled against the bird, as if offering comfort. Tim decided to take the bird home and care for it until its wing healed. Every day, Tim and Whiskers would carefully feed the bird, keep it warm, and sing soothing songs to lift its spirits. With their love and care, the bird grew stronger each passing day. One evening, as the sun painted the sky in hues of orange and gold, the bird spread its wings and took flight, soaring gracefully into the horizon. Tim and Whiskers watched with joy, their hearts filled with happiness at seeing their feathered friend healed and free once more. From that day on, Tim learned an important lesson about kindness and compassion. He realized that just as he had cared for the bird, Whiskers had always been there for him, offering love and loyalty in their adventures together. And so, Tim and Whiskers continued their adventures, exploring the wonders of the world around them, knowing that their bond of friendship was as strong as the hills and as enduring as the stars above. True friendship and kindness are treasures that enrich our lives and make the world a better place.